In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and print checks in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your business finances, and one of its many useful features is the ability to create and print checks directly from the platform. Whether you're paying a vendor, a service provider, or handling other business expenses, this process can save you time and ensure your records stay organized. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, be sure to check out the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account and navigating to your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the New button at the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to creating various transactions in QuickBooks Online, and today we're focusing on checks. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, find and select the option labeled Check. This will open up a new window where you'll be able to input all the necessary details for the check you want to create. Now, start by entering the payee's name. This could be the name of a vendor, a service provider, or anyone you're issuing the check to. If you've already added the payee to your QuickBooks contacts, their name should appear in the drop-down list as you type, making it quick and easy to select. Once the payee's name is entered, move on to the date field. Input the date you want to appear on the check. Make sure it's accurate, as this will reflect in your financial records. Then, enter the amount of the check. Double-check this figure to ensure it's correct, as errors here can lead to unnecessary complications. With the basic details in place, it's always a good idea to review everything for accuracy before proceeding. Double-check the payee's name, the date, and the amount to make sure everything is correct and aligned with your records. If needed, you can also add additional context or notes in the memo field at the bottom of the check. This is optional, but it can be very helpful for keeping track of the purpose of the payment. For example, you might add a note like payment for invoice number 1234 or June office supplies. Once you've confirmed all the details are correct, scroll down and click the Print Check button at the bottom of the screen. If this is your first time printing checks in QuickBooks Online, you'll be guided through the Printing Setup Wizard. The Setup Wizard will walk you through aligning your check forms and configuring your printer settings. It's important to follow the prompts carefully to ensure your checks print correctly. During this process, you may need to print a test page to verify alignment. Adjust the settings as needed until everything looks perfect. Once your printer is properly configured and the checks are aligned, you're ready to print. Simply load your check forms into the printer as instructed and click the Print button to complete the process. And there you have it. Your check has been created and printed directly from QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.